What's up, y'all? Today we're going to explain to you what a home equity line of credit is. We're the Tanner Brothers with Tanner Realty. We are a brokerage here in Central Arkansas. We're going to dive right in. So what is a home equity line of credit, otherwise known as a HELOC? So a lot of people out there, let's just say that they have a $500,000 house and they only owe $200,000 on their mortgage. So they have 500 and 200, they have about a $300,000 worth of equity. So that's money tied up in their property that at the moment they can't use. So a lot of banks will basically give you the equity in between what you owe on your mortgage and up to what the house is worth, up to a certain point, usually like 80 to 90% of the total value. So let's just say you go to the bank and you're like, hey, I need $200,000. You may want to do some renovations, may have some student loans you want to pay off, maybe some medical debt, a business venture. Essentially, you're able to use that money in your home for whatever you may want it for. So just to clarify, this isn't free money. It is a line of credit, so it's like a massive credit card, and you do have payments that you have to pay back, but typically the interest rate is going to be lower than if you went out and used a credit card. A lot of people use it because it's a much lower interest rate. And the reason why is because the bank knows that there's an asset backing that liability, that debt. So typically you can draw on the line of credit and you can pay down the line of credit. If you have any questions whatsoever about a HELOC, comment down below and we'll do our best to answer it. And if you found this content helpful, hit that subscribe button.